It's a night of networking, and those you see here are Tuputoa's interns and potential bosses.
We're here tonight to welcome and to celebrate what's been a really challenging year for the whole of Aotearoa, but we're here tonight as Tuputoa to celebrate with our partners and with all of our interns that have started their internship over the last week or two in Auckland.
Tuputoa was launched in 2016. The paid internship is a pathway that provides professional opportunities for Māori and Pacific tertiary students in corporate, government and community organisations. It started off with under 30 interns and 20 partners. 5 years on, the program boasts over 200 interns and 118 partners all over Aotearoa, with placements both here and overseas.
For many of our students, getting through school is hard, then getting through university is just as hard. And so, they're constantly dealing with these challenges. So getting into the right corporate job, they didn't necessarily have the tools or the skills to actually put themselves in front or to approach the organisations that they wanted to work for. So Tuputoa does all of that for them.
Helping to guide the way and equip them with the necessary tools are Tuputoa's navigators.
What that role looks like is supporting our interns and managers throughout the entire internship period. So whatever support they may need in terms of CV, cover letter, interview skills, how to take their whole self into the workplace, and what to expect when they're going into the corporate workforce.
Among those grateful for the opportunity is Tongan Bradley Lewila.
I'm graduating in electrical engineering just at the University of Auckland. I chose to come to Tuputoa just because of the experience, just the overall experience of the whole thing, the connections that you make with the people, and also like all the corporate events and that type of thing, networking. So I know it just gives you the right pathways to meet people and just get you out of your comfort zone.
Tuputoa works with a range of partners who see the benefit in having more Māori and Pacific in the corporate environment.
There's many things that they don't even teach you at school, university. If there was a class for corporate type things, I think that everyone should take it. But that's what Tuputoa does. It teaches you those things for corporate. Just the way that you should address people, handshakes, even like the little things like that, that Tuputoa help you with.
So we want to set up our students for success in the workplace, and professional services corporate can be a really unfamiliar, scary environment. To have an organisation like Tuputoa providing the pastoral wraparound care, I think is essential to make sure that when they come in, they're coming in on the right foot. So I'm really pleased with Tuputoa, and I think they do an awesome job.
And the success of the organisation is in the numbers.
If you look at our growth, we're heading tonight, this is our 5th year, and happy to say that this year we will provide over 220 opportunities across the motu, and we have a partner network of now 118.
So tonight, for many young Pacifica and Māori, the road ahead just got clearer.